Prepaid insurance. At 1 July 20x6, a company had prepaid insurance of $2,050. On 1 January 20x7, the company paid $9,500 for insurance for the year to 30 September 20x7. What figures should appear for insurance in the company's financial statements for the year ended 30 June 20x7? Answer: SPLOCI. Prepaid insurance, $2,050. Payment January 20x7, $9,500. Prepayment July through September 20x7, $9,500 divided by 12 times 3 minus $2,375. Insurance expense and prepaid insurance, $9,175. SOFP. Prepayment July through September 20x7, $9,500 divided by 12 times 3, $2,375. Insurance expense and prepaid insurance, $2,375.